Did you know that adults with diabetes are 2 to 4 times more likely to die from heart disease than adults without diabetes? A shocking truth, isn't it? But it's a reality that we cannot afford to ignore. Every year, heart disease claims the lives of countless individuals around the world, and the risk is significantly amplified for those living with diabetes. It's a silent killer, creeping in the shadows, often unnoticed until it's too late. The correlation between diabetes and heart disease is a well-documented fact. Diabetes, a condition that affects the body's ability to process sugar, can lead to a slew of complications if not properly managed. One of the most severe of these complications is heart disease. The connection is simple, yet deadly. High blood sugar levels can cause damage to blood vessels and the nerves that control the heart. Over time, this can lead to heart disease, which, in severe cases, can result in a heart attack, stroke, or even death. But why are diabetics more susceptible to heart disease? The answer lies in the fact that diabetes, particularly type 2, often goes hand in hand with other risk factors for heart disease. These include obesity, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol levels. When combined, these risk factors can create a perfect storm for heart disease. Does this mean that if you're a diabetic, you're doomed to suffer from heart disease? Absolutely not. While the statistics may seem daunting, it's essential to remember that they are just that, statistics. They are not a death sentence, nor are they an inevitable fate. Just as diabetes can be managed, so too can the risk of heart disease be reduced. It begins with understanding the connection between these two conditions, and from there, taking proactive steps towards improving heart health. But fear not, heart disease is not an inevitable fate for diabetics, and we can fight it together. The journey may not be easy, but the rewards of a healthier heart are worth every step. So buckle up as we dive deeper into how to improve heart health for diabetics in the coming scenes. Understanding diabetes and heart health is the first step towards a healthier future. Let's break it down. Diabetes is not just about high blood sugar levels. It's a complex condition that can affect your entire body, including your heart. You see, our heart is like an engine that keeps us running. It needs clean fuel, which in this case is our blood. When we have diabetes, our blood sugar levels can often skyrocket. This high blood sugar is like dirty fuel for our heart. Over time, it can cause the walls of our heart to become thick and stiff, a condition known as heart disease. Moreover, high blood sugar can damage the blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients to our heart, leading to heart attacks and strokes. So, controlling your blood sugar levels is not just about managing diabetes, it's also about protecting your heart. Armed with this knowledge, you can now take action to protect your heart. Your plate is a battlefield, and the right foods are your best allies in this fight. In the war against diabetes and heart disease, your diet is a crucial line of defense. It's not just about cutting out the bad stuff, it's also about adding in the good. A balanced diet can be your strongest ally, helping to control blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and protect your heart. So what does a heart-healthy, diabetes-friendly diet look like? Well, it's all about balance and variety. Picture a colorful plate filled with fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are packed with essential nutrients and fiber, which help keep blood sugar levels steady and curb overeating. Let's talk specifics. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as flax seeds and walnuts, are known to reduce inflammation and lower heart disease risk. Including these in your diet a couple times a week can make a big difference. Then we have fruits and vegetables, your heart's best friends. They're low in calories, high in vitamins, minerals, and fibers, and they're great for filling up without adding a lot of extra carbs. Aim for a rainbow of colors to get a wide range of nutrients. Lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, and fish provide essential amino acids without the extra fat and cholesterol. And let's not forget about legumes. Beans, lentils, peas, they're high in fiber and protein, and they can help control blood sugar and lower cholesterol levels. But it's not just about what you add, it's also about what you limit. Foods high in saturated fats, trans fats, and sugars can wreak havoc on your heart and blood sugar levels. So beware of processed foods, fast foods, and sugary drinks. In this battle, every bite matters. The choices you make at the grocery store, in the kitchen, and at the dinner table can dramatically affect your health. So, choose wisely and remember, food is not just fuel, it's medicine. Remember, what you eat directly impacts your heart health. Physical activity is not just about fitting into your favorite jeans, it's about giving your heart the workout it needs. Imagine a world where there's an all-natural, free, and readily available resource that can help improve your heart health. Well, you don't have to imagine because it already exists. It's called exercise. Regular physical activity is one of the most effective ways to improve heart health, especially for individuals with diabetes. You see, when you exercise, your heart is forced to pump blood faster and more efficiently. This helps to strengthen the heart muscle, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. It's like giving your heart a regular tune-up, keeping it running smoothly and efficiently. And the best part is, you don't need to become a marathon runner or a gym junkie to reap these benefits. Simply engaging in moderate intensity exercise, like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling for about 30 minutes a day, can make a significant difference. Walking is a great place to start. It's low impact, requires no special equipment, and can be done practically anywhere. Plus, it's a very flexible form of exercise. You can easily adjust the intensity by changing your pace or adding in some hills. Swimming is another excellent option. It's a full-body workout that's gentle on the joints and can be easily adapted to suit your fitness level. Plus, the resistance offered by the water gives your muscles an extra challenge, which can help to improve your cardiovascular fitness even further. Cycling, whether it's on a stationary bike at the gym or out in the great outdoors, is a fun and effective way to boost your heart health. It's low impact, easy on the joints, and can be done at a pace that suits you. But remember, the key here is regularity. Consistency is more important than intensity when it comes to improving heart health. So make a commitment to yourself and your heart to get moving every day. Exercise is a powerful tool in your heart health arsenal, so use it wisely. Keeping a close eye on your health is crucial when you have diabetes. The journey towards improved heart health for individuals with diabetes is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires consistent effort, vigilant monitoring, and proactive measures. A key part of this journey is regular health checks and the right medication. Routine health checks are your radar, alerting you to potential issues before they become significant problems. They allow you to monitor and manage your blood sugar levels, which is crucial for those with diabetes. Uncontrolled blood sugar levels can damage your blood vessels and nerves that control your heart and blood vessels. The longer you have diabetes, the higher the chances that you'll develop heart disease. In addition to blood sugar, keeping an eye on your cholesterol is equally important. High levels of bad cholesterol or low-density lipoprotein can lead to a buildup of plaques in your arteries, which can increase your risk of heart disease. Regular checks can help you keep these levels in check and take necessary measures if they start to climb. Now let's talk about medication. Medication plays a significant role in managing diabetes and protecting heart health. It's like the lifeguard on your health journey, always ready to step in when things get tricky. Medications for diabetes work in various ways. Some help your body use insulin more effectively. Others reduce the amount of glucose your liver makes, or slow down the absorption of starches you consume. However, remember that medication should be a part of a comprehensive health plan and not a standalone solution. It works best when paired with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle. And, like any good team, your health checks and medication need to work together. Regular checks can help you understand if your medication is working or if you need to adjust your dosage or try something new. It's a symbiotic relationship that, when balanced correctly, can significantly improve your heart health and overall well-being. Regular checks and proper medication can be your life-saving safety net. Take control of your health journey, one check at a time. Remember, it's not about a quick fix. It's about creating a long-term, sustainable lifestyle that keeps your heart happy and healthy. Diabetes doesn't have to be a death sentence for your heart. In our journey today, we've come to understand the intricate relationship between diabetes and heart health, and how we can navigate this complex terrain. A balanced diet, rich in whole grains, lean proteins, and fruits and vegetables, is key in managing both conditions. Regular physical activity, whether it's brisk walking or an intense cardio workout, not only keeps our heart pumping efficiently, but also helps in regulating blood sugar levels. Knowing is indeed half the battle. Regular checks and medication adherence are crucial in keeping complications at bay. These regular checks are not just about ticking a box, they are about understanding your body, recognizing potential warning signs, and taking swift corrective action. Remember, taking care of your heart is not a choice, it's a necessity. For those with diabetes, it's a vital part of managing your health and ensuring a healthier, happier future.